In this video we will learn how to install SSL certificate for your domain. First, log in your web hosting. Now, log in to the Cloudflare. Click on your domain. Click on SSL TLS option and click on Overview. In this section, your SSL TLS encryption mode should be full strict. SSL TLS recommender should be enabled. Now click on Origin Server. In this, authenticated origin pull option should be enabled. Now click on Create Certificate option. By default, it will show main domain and its wildcard mask, and click on Create. Create origin certificate and private key. Open web hosting, and go to Domain option, then select Custom SSL option. Now click on Install SSL. Copy origin certificate and private key from Cloudflare. Paste into web hosting, Custom SSL, Install SSL option as shown in video. Click on Install Certificate. And then click on Continue. Your SSL certificate installed. Refresh the web page. Now you can see the installed SSL certificate. Now go to Cloudflare, click on OK. SSL certificate installation on your main domain completed.